construction enthusiast. Are you ready to embark into the journey of understanding construction jargons and construction terminology? Let's participate in this journey together. Welcome to the YouTube channel Yugandhara Talele. From the beams to blueprints, from scaffolding to surveying, construction is a language all its own. Whether you are a construction professional who is trying to brush up your skills, or you are completely a new beginner trying to enter into the field, this video series is for you. Join us into the video series that will break the complex concepts into easy to understand explanation. We will also provide you tools with how to use those concepts. If you are a builder, architect, or engineer, or simply a newcomer, just join in with the journey of expanding the construction vocabulary. Welcome to the first part of the video, telling you what are the importance of building a construction vocabulary and ways of how to build the vocabulary. So hit that subscribe button and click on that ring button to notify you about the future videos. So let's get started. Building Technical Vocabulary in Construction by Yugandhara Talele. Content of the video are Introduction. What is a technical vocabulary? What are the benefits of building technical vocabulary? And ways of how to build your vocabulary. So, what exactly is a technical vocabulary? So, technical vocabulary is refers to specialized terms used in specific field to communicate precise meaning of concepts. And these concepts may not be commonly understood by individuals outside of the industry. Example, technical vocabulary in the field of medicine, engineering, computer science, law, and many other fields. So, what are the benefits of knowing these words? First and foremost is clarity and precision. So, terms related to materials, processes, equipments, and regulations. So, it ensures that everyone on the project understands instructions, specifications, and what is the construction plan, and what are the ways to minimize of risks and errors by knowing these terms, and avoiding misunderstanding. Other is safety. So construction sites are really hazardous environment, and miscommunication can lead to accidents and injuries. So this technical vocabulary in terms of safety protocols, equipment operations, hazard identification helps ensure that workers communicate effectively about safety procedures and precautions, reducing the accidents. Next is efficiency and productivity. So, reason how it increases efficiency and productivity. Clear communication equipped by technical words. So everyone on job site understands the task that described to follow, working with certain materials and its procedures, and deadlines are met. Resources are effectively utilized. Compliance and regulations. How? In construction, there are so many codes, regulations, standards. We have to follow that. And so everyone need to understand their correct. So to ensure that construction project meets legal standards and pass the inspection. Quality control. It is essential to maintain quality standards throughout the construction process. It allows workers and inspectors communicate effectively, ensuring completed structure meets design requirement and clients' expectations. Cost management. How? Because in the construction field, miscommunication is equivalent to errors, and which is equivalent to loss in terms of money and time. So, by using precise terminology, construction professionals can accurately discuss project requirements, materials, budgets, helping to control cost and avoid unnecessary expenses. Professionalism and credibility, continual learning and development. Industry is constantly evolving with new materials, technologies, new construction techniques. So, building this vocabulary enables us, that is, we as a construction professionals, to stay updated with industrial advancements, with broadening our knowledge and adapting to changing practices. What are the ways to build technical vocabulary? Let's see them. First is understand construction basics. Familiarize with building materials. What are the different construction methods and project management principles? Learn terminology like the way we are learning. So, related to your specific field of working, like if you are an architect or civil engineer, structural engineer, or in construction management. Study building plans and blueprints to understand how different components of the structure are represented and interconnected. So, how they are represented with labels, symbols, and annotations. Engage in practical learning. How? By gaining hands-on experience by volunteering on construction projects, internships, or apprenticeships, attending workshops and seminars to learn from experts in the field, and they cover very specific topics or emerging trends in construction. Joining construction forums and communities. So we can participate in online forums various social media groups, and professional associations dedicated to construction industry like AISC. Reading construction literature, so books, journals, articles related to building management, building design, and how these technical terms are used in different contexts. Create reference materials. This is really important. I use this technique. So in this, you have to develop your own reference materials because as a human, we cannot recall everything. So it is better to create our reference library with glossaries or flashcards, and we have to organize it by category. Example, materials, tools, processes. This really helps. Seek mentorship. So you have to find mentor or experienced professional in your construction industry who can guide you in your learning journey. I also have various mentors whom I give credits in my video description. So, yes, they provide us valuable insights, answers to our queries, and introduce us to the industry specific terminology. By staying updated with codes and regulations. You know, codes are updated by every month, month or year. So we have to see what are the updations in them, what are the zoning regulations, what are the safety standards. By understanding the language of the regulatory documents, it is very essential to effectively communicate in the construction industry. Using resources specific to construction, such as textbooks, online courses, and websites explaining construction drawings, codes, construction materials, and safety regulations. Practicing active listening and communication. By paying attention how professionals communicate on construction site or in meeting or during project discussion. It really helps. By actively listening, asking questions, and seeking clarification when needed to improve our understanding and usage of technical vocabulary. So what is the summary? So, what are the benefits of building a technical vocabulary? Promoting clarity, safety, efficiency is increased, compliance, quality is improved, cost is managed really effectively. It shows our professionalism and continual learning. A fundamental aspect of effective communication and contributes to the success of construction projects. So we can build it by consistently immersing yourself into the construction related content and experiences. Gradually, you can build and expand your technical vocabulary. So, stay tuned with the video series. Thank you so much to you all for being with me throughout this video. If you find this video useful, then please share. It will help others. And subscribe to get notified about the new videos.